day one of a new Burlington project. We're gonna head inside and I'm gonna go over all the details and things that we're gonna do to this house before it gets ripped apart by the demo guys tomorrow. Come on inside, follow me. The homeowners left us a fancy note from the kids and mom and dad. And I think this really drives home on what we do here. We can do everything that they wanted, all the specs and all the finishes and everything. But at the end of the day, we're gonna create a new home for these people. Behind this beautiful note for us is a pantry that's coming out. This entire kitchen is getting ripped out. The stairs to the basement are coming out. Island goes and a new one's gonna be coming in. This is a load-bearing wall and it's also coming out, as well as all the rear windows of the house are the last few to be replaced, so they will all be done as well. All this detail has been gone over with an engineer and a carpenter and myself and a designer, and we've created a new plan for the entire main floor. This wall dividing the dining room from the living room is non-load bearing. It's also coming out. And then we have a mechanical box behind the wall, and behind here is the old venting for the furnace and the hot water tank. Both of those have been changed to direct vent, so they go out lower and no longer use this cavity, so we're able to remove it and then remove this load-bearing wall and extend the kitchen in towards the dining room and create a new living space. New laundry room. The laundry room is completely getting gutted. New configuration for washer, dryer, sink. New doors. The powder room, same thing, toilet, vanity sink, faucet, mirror, light fixture, fan, flooring is all coming out. The stairs from the main floor to the second floor are completely coming out and a new set of stairs coming in. This time we're gonna have a straight run up to a landing and from the landing to the second floor. Here we are on the second floor in this Burlington renovation. This is considered a second ensuite. It's getting completely gutted. We're gonna convert the bathtub to a shower. There will still be a toilet and a vanity with a single sink. We have a large closet. It doesn't serve a great amount of use. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the header above the closet, the track for the doors that were here, and we're gonna reconfigure this space for the daughter so that she can have a closet to hang and place clothes. And then we're also gonna build a study area, some drawers and somewhere for her to work and put a chair so she has some privacy while studying. Here we are at the stairs from the main floor to the basement, and they're exceptionally steep, especially on the left side. So we're gonna remove the stairs completely, recreate the opening from the basement to the main floor, and have the stairs come straight up and out.